Welcome to New Zealand, a land where towering mountains, crystal lakes, and unforgettable adventures create one of the world's most breathtaking travel destinations. Our journey begins in Auckland, New Zealand's largest city. From the iconic Sky Tower to its stunning harbors and vibrant waterfront, Auckland perfectly blends modern city life with spectacular natural beauty. Next is Queenstown, the adventure capital of the world. Whether you're chasing thrilling activities or peaceful alpine views, this breathtaking destination offers excitement at every turn. Welcome to Wellington, New Zealand's charming capital. Famous for its arts, culture, vibrant cafes, and stunning coastal scenery, it's a city full of character and unforgettable experiences.
Rotorua showcases New Zealand's natural wonders like nowhere else. Discover steaming geysers, colourful hot springs, fascinating Maori culture, and landscapes unlike anywhere on Earth. From vibrant cities to breathtaking natural wonders, New Zealand is a destination that belongs on every traveler's bucket list. Which place would you visit first? Let us know below, and don't forget to follow for more incredible travel adventures.